100 years ago, 150 years ago, what we know the coral reefs looked like was very, very, very different than what they look like now.
Coral reefs are dying at a rapid rate. A lot of it is due to increasing temperatures worldwide, and they're very sensitive to temperature.
Climate change is an issue, pollution is another issue, ocean acidification is also an issue.
It's a combination of the fact that the water is getting warmer, warm water holds less oxygen, but it's also a function of the fact that we have a lot more microbial activity in these ecosystems now. This is a result of pollution, overfishing. When you fish out all the herbivores, then you get this overgrowth of algae on the seafloor, and algae produce compounds that microbes really like. Respiration is shifting the balance away from corals, changing the dynamics of a lot of these creatures, especially giving a leg up to microbial communities which thrive in those conditions.
Corals are a very important ecosystem. If corals disappear, other species are also going to disappear.
They also protect the shoreline. They basically are a barrier as waves come in from hurricanes, for example.
Most coral reefs at this point, if not all coral reefs, are at some level impacted by human pressures, mostly due to climate change. But there are regions which are highly populated, which are even more impacted than others. And areas like the Great Barrier Reef, areas like the Caribbean are really, really threatened by a lot of these local pressures as well. The Caribbean is full of people, and it has been full of people for a long time. It's also an enclosed basin with a lot of fishing, and it didn't have a ton of diversity to start with, so it kind of crashed. Over the past 30 to 60 years, 90% of the Caribbean has been lost.